Good morning, everybody. Viewers at home, once again, you are welcome to this channel whereby we give out Yoruba proverbs full of wisdom and we translate them into English for our benefits. This morning, the proverb has to do with honor. Yoruba ni awolumate ìwọ̀n ara ẹ̀ ló mọ̀. Awolumate ìwọ̀n ara ẹ̀ ló mọ̀. Meaning, if someone says, anywhere I enter, they always respect me, they give me honor. It's not automatic, it's because that person himself respects himself. This is telling us that anywhere we are, we must not misbehave if we want people to respect us. Imagine entering somewhere and you disrespect everybody in the house. No greetings, no common sense apply to anything you are doing. The response you will get from them will be insultive as well. But if you enter somewhere and you are full of honor yourself, honoring everybody, giving regard to the both strong, both young and old, they will pay you back with the same respect. The English people says, respect beget respect. Awolumate ìwọ̀n ara ẹ̀ ló mọ̀. As you go out today, I encourage you, pay honor to people so they can pay you back.